Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan baby, and today we are going to be talking about how does a microphone work. Today we are going to be talking about, well, how does a microphone actually work? So have you ever been on a stage, maybe singing some song or giving some speech or whatever, and you have your microphone in your hand and the speaker is out there shooting your voice out, right? But have you actually ever wondered how does it work? Like what's inside of it? So how a microphone works is when we speak, okay, the pressure variations in the air that our mouths make, aka this is basically what a sound wave is, a pressure variation in the air. So when we speak, we create sound waves. And these sound waves go through the wind cover, okay? So we're holding the handle of the microphone, and that top bulb part is a wind cover, so that way wind doesn't blow through, right? So once it goes inside, how everything works is inside there will be this cone that will direct the sound waves into the diaphragm, okay? And the diaphragm is connected to a coil and magnet, okay? So there's a button that activates it, okay? So what happens is that the diaphragm moves, okay? It vibrates to the sound waves since it's that sensitive. So when it moves up and down, it moves the coil up and down the magnet, okay? And this causes a magnetic field. And due to this, this causes an electric current, okay? This current goes all the way to the speaker, okay? When it moves to the speaker, okay, what the speaker will do is that it changes the electric volts and turns them into sound waves. Basically, it's the opposite of how a microphone works. Instead of taking sound waves and turning them into electrical volts, a speaker turns electrical volts into the sound wave. That's how a basic definition of a speaker works. And the type of microphone that I was talking about was a dynamic microphone. There are two other types, okay? Condenser microphones, how those work is that there is the diaphragm is connected to a capacitor, okay, which has a back plate, and then there's another plate. What this does is that when we speak through it, okay, the diaphragm moves moves between the plates, okay, and the plates moving between each other creates the voltage. And a condenser microphone usually needs some phantom power, okay? The last type is a ribbon microphone. How this does is that there's a metal ribbon inside of a magnetic field, okay? So what happens is that the sound waves move the metal ribbon, okay, causing an electrical voltage directly, okay? That's basically how a microphone works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time.